Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making two classic side dishes, sweet bourbon glazed carrots and creamy spinach. If you love easy and delicious recipes, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more comfort food favorites. Let's get started. First, I'm making the sweet bourbon glazed carrots. These are the ingredients for the carrots plus the bourbon. I bought carrots that are already pre-cut like sticks. You can use baby carrots or cut regular carrots into sticks. Put 24 ounces carrots into a non-stick pan. Add 6 tablespoons butter. Add 1/4 cup light brown sugar and 2.5 tablespoons honey. Cook on the stove until the butter melts. Add some salt and black pepper. Stir and cover. Cook the carrots on medium heat until al dente, about 10 minutes, and once a while, open the lid to check them out. If there's still a lot of liquid in the pan, but the carrots are done, open the lid and cook on high. This is the consistency that I like. Then pour the bourbon and stir. The glazed carrots are done. Now we are making the creamed spinach. These are the ingredients for the creamed spinach. Measurements are in the description box. I have 1 pound fresh spinach, and I have a large container filled with ice water. Boil water in the pan, then add the spinach. Cook the spinach briefly, about 3 to 4 seconds in boiling water, and take it out and put in the ice water. Then squeeze the water out from the spinach. Heat up 2 tablespoons butter in the pan. Add 1 cup diced onion. Cook until the onion is softened and add 1.5 tablespoons chopped garlic. Cook until you can smell the garlic, then add 1 tablespoon flour. Cook the flour for about half a minute, then add 1¼ cup half and half. Continue cooking until the sauce is slightly thickened, then add ½ teaspoon salt and ½ teaspoon chicken powder. Add the spinach and 1/4 cup to ½ cup cream, depending on how creamy you would like it to be. Put your creamed spinach in a bowl and sprinkle with shredded Parmesan cheese. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.